So, ICE keeps saying they should be treated as law enforcement officials. They expect us to respect their positions of authority as such, even though their authority and jurisdiction is limited to immigration enforcement. I'm of the opinion that if they want us to respect them as law enforcement officials, then when they act out of line or they have to use their weapons, they should be treated and investigated as any other law enforcement officer or official would be. They cannot expect one standard, respect, be followed, but blatantly ignore other standards, investigated, scrutinized, and punished if they violated the law. If they use excessive force, injure, or kill someone in the course of duty, then they need to be upheld to that same investigative process that any other law enforcement official would be subjected to. And furthermore, when an incident occurs, they have zero right to condemn or label the individual injured or killed by their agents as a terrorist, nor do they have the right to publicly condemn that person or form any conclusion as to their intents until that investigation is completed. Now, that investigation should involve their team, local teams, and third-party investigators to ensure transparency and non-bias. This practice of assuming their agents are right minutes after an incident is totally inappropriate. The response to the public after such an event occurs should be plain and simply, we are investigating the matter, the evidence will be reviewed, and a determination will be made and announced to the public at the conclusion of said investigation. Furthermore, because of the public nature and outside of the normal law enforcement activities happening day to day in America that ICE is currently practicing, additional public oversight and outside expertise should be leveraged to ensure that a true and fair investigation is completed and a non-biased conclusion is met.